Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT KingKong Mini 3, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have screen recorder. For me it is on the second page or right over here. It has this icon which might be a little bit easier to find rather than looking for the text, which is just kind of cut out midway through it, so the icon is probably easier to find. Once you see it, again simply tap on it. It will bring up this overlay letting you choose what kind of audio you will record. So on the drop down menu you have device audio, microphone, both, and obviously if you don't want to record any audio, just keep that off. And then below that we have show touches on the screen, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. But basically what it does is records a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. So it starts a countdown and then begins recording with an annoying sound and notification sound and vibration. So now, like I said, whatever you'll do will be recorded. Let's see if we have something like Netflix on here, but it doesn't look like we do. In any case, you can just open up whatever you want for the most part. Once you're done recording, pull down your notifications, tap to stop, and there we go. It's now saved to your Photos application. Now, the reason I was looking for Netflix is because Netflix has the ability to block screen recorders. This is part of like Android kind of thing that applications can utilize. So it is primarily designed for privacy and security of the user of the device, but some shitty applications like Netflix use this to basically kind of try to stop plagiarism or piracy of their content. Let's be honest, there are better ways to download videos or shows from Netflix than use a screen recorder. That's just idiotic. And the reason I'm mentioning this because I do have a problem with this. As a user that, for instance, has a Netflix pre-installed on their device, you don't ever have to log into it or do anything. The application can block your screen recorder right from the login screen of the application, even though you never agreed to any terms of use and you never signed into anything, and yet it can still fuck around on your device without your permission whatsoever. So I just find it as a intrusive application, one that kind of oversteps its boundaries. But anyway, going back to our screen recording that we captured, we can open up our photos, and in here we should have, there we go, it's visible right here. So that's basically the one that I have recorded. As you can see, it is labeled under the catalog called Movies. So later on, if you want to find it, you can just look for just a label Movies, click on it, and it will open up album with basically everything that is considered a movie, which I believe it would also include videos that you'd capture with the device as well. Anyway, I'm gonna close this and just showcase this. So you can see there's the tag Movies. When you tap on it, it opens up its album where I only have two different things right now. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.